Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I often get asked how my clients can make their skin look super smooth, and I have a couple of tricks which will literally change your foundation game forever, especially if you have a bit more of a textured skin or an oily skin, or you just want your foundation to look flawless. But what I need to tell you is it is no substitute for proper skincare. Make sure you are liquid exfoliating your skin, make sure you're cleaning it properly, you are moisturizing, and then you can use this approach for a cosmetic fix. And I can't wait for you to see what a difference this makes. So first of all, I need to remove my makeup, and then I need to get really close. And now a comparison line. On this side, we are going to be doing the smooth side, and on this side, we're going to be doing the regular side. So step number one is exfoliate. So I'm going to go away and exfoliate this side. Next, you need to pop on your moisturiser, even if you have oily skin. So next you need to prime. I'm going to use Bobbi Brown's Vitamin Enriched Face Base because my skin is dry. So if you have dry skin, make sure you put on a moisturising primer. If you have oily skin, just your regular primer. And then I'm going to pop on some Benefit Porefessional onto the areas where I have more visible pores. So we're going to put on a powder before your foundation. Loose powder if you want more of a gentle finish, or for an even more extreme result, use a powdered mineral makeup, or I'm going to use a powdered makeup here from MAC. Take a buffing brush and buff it onto the face. You don't need a lot. So what this does is it fills in the pores, and for oily skin, this gives you a base between your skin, the oil and your foundation. If you have dry skin, use this sparingly, but make sure you get it into the pores. So with your foundation, you must now dab it on. Don't swirl it around. You don't want to interrupt the powder and the layers that you've applied. So I'm going to use a beauty blender and pop on my foundation. So now with the concealer. So now using a really gentle kabuki brush, I'm just going to pop on some loose powder. And finally, if you have dry skin like me, finish it off with a setting spray. I'm going to use DTO by Jane Iredale, which just stops it from looking cakey. So thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing, and if anyone's got any other makeup tips they would love me to solve, then please let me know underneath, and I'm going to be creating videos on some more things like this.